In this week's travels, we were able to participate in Kool Deadwood Nites that brings car lovers together for 6 full days of classic cars, classic music, and classic fun. It is a 1950s and 60s sock hop, Deadwood style. In order to participate, the cars had to be 1973 and older. Enjoy the show.
Alright, we're in Kool Deadwood Nites. That's one of the biggest car shows in the USSF. Just walked up. So we're going to look at a few of these as we work our way down. 1955 Chevy 4-door wagon.
It's a cool looking one.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a nice Nova. Super Sport. Gonna have to look at it and that one and this Camaro up here. '69 Nova. Modified. You can tell by the hood. '68 Chevy Camaro, modified. Got the same hood built up on it. Malibu, if I'm just guessing, I'm saying a '66. The Malibu. '65 Malibu. We got some more old cars that way. Got another Camaro. So let's walk on down the street here and see what all we got. It doesn't say what this is, so I'm not too sure what it is.
It's in the inside.
Is it inside? I think it says it's in the seat here. So it's 1960 Metropolitan. Chevy Impala, 1959 Chevy Impala, but it's early 49, 50. Got a GTO here, 67 GTO. All right, we're walking over to the other parking lot here. A lot of nice cars in here.
Make sure the wood's still
All these have been custom out.
I do.
1950. I don't know if you can see with the glare. '29 Ford. Yeah, it works better. 1929. 1933. There's a Bel Air. Nova.
There's so much.
Chevelle Malibu 66. It looks pretty standard. I don't see any modifications on it. Stock is what it says. Camaro. Work our way up here towards a couple of Chevelles. The 34 Ford. Nope. All right. Got the Chevelle with a Cal induction. 1970. Stock. Challenger 446 pack 1970. Now let's get back over on the Chevelle. '56 Ford T-Bird. '69 Ford Mustang Mach 1 stock. El Camino 65. Caprice. '48 F1 Ford with a 302 in it. I also got you a mini one back here. I think that's Nancy's favorite. got a 69 vet. Got a Chevelle right here. '69 Chevelle, modified. Got the Camaro here, 69 Camaro, stock. Thunderbird. '63. '67 Buick Skylark. She's got a Chevy Malibu here. Good looking car. But this is Super Sport right here. All original papers, all matching numbers. Check out the numbers on that. And that is an Impala, if you were wondering. '56 Corvette. Charger. '69 Charger. Running out of daylight. We're trying to get as many of these in as we can. So we got another Chevelle with the cowl induction. Let's see what year we got here. Yeah, it says it's 71. 70, let me correct myself. It looks stock. 1970. 454 in it. There's your 70 Chevelle. It's actually got a soft top on it. You don't see a lot of them with soft tops on them anymore. So, back out of this. It's a bench seat. Got the Super Sport stickers, but it's got the bench seat in it. Pretty blue.
I said, dude, you picked a good body style to start.
So it's modified, but it's still a good looking car.
Rain falls, and we all pretend as we you're my survivor, and my living proof. Love is alive.
'69 Pontiac GTO. Excuse me, I'm sorry. There's a Chevelle Malibu convertible. All right, everybody's getting ready for the concert town. Got all the chairs. Got Main Street blocked with all these chairs. I'm not sure who's doing the concert tonight, but they have a concert every night. So they're getting ready for it to start up here. Alright, that's the screen I just showed. So this is the rest of it going on down towards the stage. And that will be the stage down there. Alright, this is the parade of cars. right there. Thank you. I don't know which is the oldest. I missed it coming. Go. Light it up. All right, that's the oldest one of the day. I hope you enjoyed all the old cars as much as we did, even though it's not our normal type of video. If you're new to our channel, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, and let us know which one was your favorite. Thanks.